Plant family, Griseliniaceae, genus Griselinia. Exploring the Griseliniaceae family, a personal journey with Griselinia. As an avid plant enthusiast, I've always found myself drawn to unique and resilient plant families. One such family that has captured my attention is Griseliniaceae, particularly the genus Griselinia. This family comprises intriguing species that are not only visually appealing, but also adaptable to various environments. Join me as I delve into my experiences with Griselinia and share insights on why this family deserves a spot in your botanical collection. Understanding the Griseliniaceae family. The Griseliniaceae family consists of evergreen shrubs and small trees native to the southern hemisphere. With only one genus, Griselinia, this family showcases a diverse array of species, most notably Griselinia littoralis. This species, often referred to as the coastal broadleaf, thrives in coastal areas and is renowned for its stunning green foliage and adaptability to different soil types. In my experience, Griselinia plants are hardy and resilient, making them ideal for gardeners in various climates. Whether you live near the coast or in more inland regions, these plants can flourish with the right care. I've often marveled at how well they can withstand wind, salt, and drought conditions, making them a fantastic choice for coastal gardens. Characteristics of Griselinia. One of the most striking features of Griselinia is its glossy, dark green leaves that can create a lush backdrop in any garden. The leaves are oval-shaped, often with a wavy edge, adding a unique texture to landscapes. I've found that these plants not only serve aesthetic purposes, but also provide excellent privacy when used as hedges. In addition to their visual appeal, Griselinia plants are known for their fragrant flowers, which can attract various pollinators. I have noticed that when my Griselinia plants bloom, they draw in bees and butterflies, enhancing the overall biodiversity of my garden. These interactions with nature remind me of the importance of supporting local ecosystems through our plant choices. Growing Griselinia. Growing Griselinia is relatively straightforward, making it suitable for both novice and experienced gardeners. I recommend planting them in well-draining soil, as they thrive best in conditions that mimic their natural coastal habitats. They can tolerate a range of soil types, but I've seen the best results with slightly acidic to neutral pH levels. When it comes to sunlight, Griselinia prefers full sun to partial shade. In my garden, I've placed them in spots that receive morning sun and afternoon shade, allowing for optimal growth. Regular watering during dry spells is essential, but I've learned that these plants can withstand short periods of drought. This resilience is one of the reasons I continue to incorporate Griselinia into my garden designs. Benefits of Griselinia in landscaping. Incorporating Griselinia into my landscaping has proven to be beneficial in numerous ways. Beyond their stunning appearance, these plants provide effective windbreaks, making them an excellent choice for coastal gardens. Their dense foliage can reduce wind damage to other plants, creating a microclimate that supports a wider range of species. Additionally, I appreciate that Griselinia is low maintenance. Once established, these plants require minimal pruning and care. This aspect has allowed me to enjoy a thriving garden without spending excessive time on upkeep. Moreover, Griselinia's ability to attract wildlife enhances the ecological value of my garden. By planting these species, I've noticed an increase in local fauna, which adds life and vibrancy to my outdoor space. This connection with nature is something I cherish deeply, and Griselinia has played a significant role in fostering it. Conclusion: the allure of Griselinia. My journey with the Griseliniaceae family, particularly the genus Griselinia, has been nothing short of rewarding. From their striking foliage to their resilience in varying conditions, these plants offer a blend of beauty and practicality that many gardeners can appreciate. Whether you're looking to create a lush hedge, attract pollinators, or simply add a unique element to your garden, Griselinia should be on your radar. As I continue to explore the wonders of the plant world, I'm grateful for the presence of Griselinia in my garden. It serves as a reminder of nature's adaptability and the joy that comes from nurturing living things. If you haven't yet considered adding Griselinia to your garden, I encourage you to explore this fascinating family. You might find that it transforms your outdoor space into a thriving sanctuary filled with life and beauty.